Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing where you are. Take one side photo and one front photo, then stand naturally and note misalignments. Once done, find neutral spine, ears over shoulders, shoulders over hips, and hold for breath. Make sure to engage your deep core with 5 to 10 diaphragmatic breaths while tucking the ribs slightly. This primes the nervous system. Then perform 3 sets of 8 slow chin tucks and scapular squeezes to activate postural muscles before moving into corrective work. Now you focus on mobility and strength together. Begin with thoracic extensions and foam rolling for 2 to 3 minutes to restore upper back movement. Next, perform rows, planks, and hip bridges 3 times per week. Aim for 8-12 reps or 30 to 60 seconds for holds to build the posterior chain. Once done, integrate posture drills into your day. Set an hourly reminder, stand tall for 1 to 2 minutes, reset alignment, and breathe. This links training gains to real-life posture automatically. To finish, convert gains into lasting habits. Schedule 3 posture checks daily and record quick notes for 4 weeks. Then optimize ergonomics, raise your monitor to eye level, set chair height so knees are at about 90 degrees, and add lumbar support if needed. Once done, use brief micro breaks. Stand, breathe, and reset every 30-60 minutes. If you encounter persistent pain or no improvement after several weeks, make sure to consult a physical therapist for targeted assessment and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.